Hey, hello everybody, welcome to Anson Neoprene Fabric channel. Today let's review another kind of neoprene fabric together. This is the Sharkskin bonded with UBL fabric. And the material is SBR neoprene. It's not so stretchy. And the thickness is about 3.5. Let's check it with the measurement. Yes, it's a 3.5. Okay, also there is a hook. Let's check how the UBL fabric perform. Check it. That's great. For the UBL fabric, there are more than 8 kinds of colors: red, white, blue, navy blue, beige or skin color, gray, purple, coffee, black, pink, etc. And for the neoprene, we could have either neoprene rubber or neoprene fabric be embossed. There is a color book: small diamond, square, round, small square, fine mesh, and so on. So there will be many different kind of solutions for neoprene fabrics. Since there are neoprene rubbers with different hardness and could be bonded with different kind of fabrics. If you have any questions about neoprene fabric, welcome to write us some comments. We'll make detailed reply as soon as we read them. Hopefully the neoprene rubbers or neoprene fabric solutions could help you with your projects. Thanks and have a nice day.